Hello guys, today we're gonna repair this AC. It has a problem with the swing problem. It's not moving, the swing flapper is not moving. Usually there are several possibilities that causing the swing is not moving. It may cause from the broken plastic here or the broken motors. And yeah, this kind of problem sometimes happen when you are not properly installed or your AC technician is not properly installed the stepper motor, the positioning and the adjustment for the flapper. So it may cause that damaging the motors or broken the motors. In this video I will try to explain to you how to fix the swing problem like this. It is working again without any replacement, especially a stepper motor. I'm gonna explain how to repair your stepper motor, and we're gonna open the stepper motor, what is inside the stepper motor and how it works. So I'm gonna show you how to fix the motor without any replacement. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, we need to open this cover first. After the cover is removed, now you can see the motor here, the step motor. So there are two screws here, one and this two. We need to remove. And after we remove the screws, we can open. This is the plastic shaft. And now we need to test if this motor is still working, still rotating or not. We can turn on the AC. The fan is moving, but this motor is not moving. I can feel this is loose. I can rotate freely like this. It's not supposed to be like this. Maybe some gear inside is broken or stuck. We need to check inside this. Okay, to remove this motor, we need to open this box because the cable socket is connecting inside this box. So I'm gonna turn off the AC. And we turn off the power, so it will be safe for us to not getting shock from these electrical cables. So I remove the screws. And this is the socket for the step motor. I'm sorry guys, I'm using one hand, so I'm gonna put my camera now. I will unplug this. Okay, this gear is broken. Okay, this is our inner gear. As you can see, this shaft, it's only half, the gear is only halfway. And if you can see, there are space there. Maybe we can put back the broken piece inside. And this is the black hole, is a pivot point. Okay, I think we are done repairing the gears, the broken gears. And I'm gonna try this anyway. And let's see how it works. Okay, let's turn on the power. Let's turn on. Let's push the swing button. Yes, we have a movement there. I'm gonna try to install the wings. Okay guys, after I installing the wings like this is the closing position, but the screw position is not correct. Like this, it's supposed to be here. This is the ears and it is supposed to be here. In this case, we need to adjust the shaft position. This is the closing position. We need to marking this position, and I think we need to reopen this again. So this is the plastic adjustment for this wings. And if I install the plastic, there are some marking in the plastic here. You can use as guidance for the position when the wing is closed. See, this is the marking position for the plastic. Maybe it's supposed to be this side, downside. And right now I'm gonna make this shaft position like this, so it will be fits to our closing position. Okay, let's get started again. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's try it again. Okay, now the swing position is correct, is completely closed. And now let's try to turn it on. Yes, I guess the motor is now working. The swing flapper is working now. Let's try to turn it off. Let's see if it's closing completely. Okay, now it's working correctly. For those who don't want to get into this hustle, you can always buy a new motor, a new stepper motor from online or from your local AC shop. You can buy this stepper motor, but remember to find it with the same type, same series, referring to the code that stating in the stepper motor. because so many stepper motor out there in the market with a different brand of AC, different size, different shaft, and also different screws placement. But most of them, all the stepper motor are having a similar working principle. So I hope this video helps and we are learning something. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this video. It will support me making videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Terima kasih and bye bye.